few places can boast 2 millennia of civilization, entrepreneurship, and relationships with the world. Venice and its inland are among them. Eastern Veneto is a unique area where the sea, the lagoons, the plains, the hills and the mountains make up an unparalleled biodiversity. The winged lion of St. Mark is the symbol of this land, ancient and yet capable of renewing itself over time. Here, history, culture and business created art cities. Places where the quality of life ranks among the best in the world, and where one encounters that Italian lifestyle that nurtures made-in-Italy products, appreciated by consumers all over the world. A gateway to Europe and a junction between East and West, this territory has structured itself over time as an efficient network of cities. Altogether, Padua, Venice, Rovigo and Treviso prefigure the idea of a sustainable metropolis of the new millennium. Education, cultural activities, personal care services, infrastructures, mobility, logistics, natural beauties. Everything contributes to making Eastern Veneto one of the most attractive places in Europe. In such an area, innovative ideas can be transformed into high-quality productions thanks to thousands of companies organized in supply chains and industrial districts that preserve an unequaled world-class know-how. An area that every year exports 38 billion euros and contributes to the Italian GDP with as much as 86 billion euros. This extraordinary industrial system gave birth to Confindustria Veneto Est, one of the largest territorial business associations in Europe. With 5,000 member companies totaling 270,000 people, Confindustria Veneto Est is a key player in the large digital and sustainable transformation that its member companies and its community are undergoing. Confindustria Veneto Est is the industry of Eastern Veneto, the land where lions and creativity fly.